Hi, this is Arsalan from Group 1 of Section 0A. Today we are going to demonstrate our project about the designing a smart home automation using Cisco PacketTracer.
Hi, my name is Karanveer Singh. So I'm gonna explain how the ISP part is working in our project. Let's start from the cell tower. Cell tower is used to connect the smartphone like this here connected through 3G or 2G connection so that we can remotely access the home gateway and we can access the IoT devices from home gateway. So after the cell tower there is a central office server. The central office servers are used to connect the cell tower with the internet services. So ISP providing the internet services to the cell tower. Here we can see there are the DNS server and IoE server which are connected to the ISP. So ISP is giving out the internet connection to both the central office server and the cloud network. The cloud network is basically is the wide area network which is further connected to the cable modem. Cable modems are used to provide internet connectivity to homes and private places wherever we need. So the cable modem is further connected to the home gateway. Home gateway, its function is to assign IP addresses to the IoT devices which are connected to it. Also, the home through the home gateway we can access the IoT devices. How? Here we are connected with the laptop to the home gateway. So the laptop will provide us the access to the IoT devices. We can control them from the laptop or we can control them through the smartphone remotely. From the smartphone we have to connect it to the 3G cell tower, so it will be further connecting to the home gateway. So the home gateway will provide the access to the smartphone of the IoT devices. So just we have to register the IoT devices to the home gateway to get the access. So this is how I replicated the ISP in this part. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys the demonstration of the home portal and the wireless appliances. As a result of the setup of ISP, we wanted to be able to access the IoT monitor application remotely from any location. So as you can see here, I'll open the IoT portal, which is our home portal, and you can see all the devices that are listed down and added here. So what we did was we connected all the devices wirelessly to the home gateway, and we created various working conditions for them inside the home portal, and then we can monitor their performance using the same thing, the home portal. So for example, to make it bigger, so you guys can see, we set the condition for air condition to be turned on if the temperature is higher than 12 centigrade, or if it's lower than 12 centigrade, then it will be turned off. And for the lawn sprinkler, for the water level, if the water level is lower than 35 centimeter, it will be on, or otherwise it will be off. For another example, for the fire system, we created the fire system condition where if the smoke detector detects 0.1% of the smoke, or the amount of smoke, the level of smoke, it will turn on the siren, it will then open the emergency door, it will enable the water sprinkler, roof water sprinkler, and it will also open the window. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the examples, the one of the working examples. So for example, here as you can see here, this car is creating some smoke, the smoke detector is detecting this smoke, and in result of the smoke detector detecting the smoke, it will enable the fire sprinkler, it will enable the siren in red color, open the door, and also open the window. For another example that we have here is that if, for example, the carbon monoxide detector and carbon dioxide detector detect the level of carbon inside the air higher than a certain level, it will enable the fan to high speed. And that's all, and thank you for watching this demonstration of the home portal. Next, we will have Saurabh explaining about the demonstration of the microcontroller.
Hi, this is Saurabh. I'm going to explain the microcontroller part of this IoT home automation system. In this, we use programmable microcontroller to connect to wired devices such as push button rocker switch and devices that would be able to override IoT system. in case the internet is down or there is a Wi-Fi connection issue or home gateway is not working. So I have added rocker switch, motion sensor, push button, light lamp, potentiometer, siren, and LED. And my motion sensor is connected to webcam, and when once it detects a motion, the siren will blows off. That is here. And I'm gonna show you how the programming of microcontroller for rocket switch. I have used a function called turn off lamp, and if the value of pin is greater than 0, then the lamp will be turned on, and if it is less than 0, it will be turned off. And for push button, I have used a turn off LED button, and if the value of pin is high, that means it is pressed, then LED will be turned on. If it is no for it is low, then it will be turned off. And then for potentiometer, I have used input handler potent A0 input for potentiometer that defines the level of the potentiometer. When the level of potentiometer is high, the siren will turn on, and when the level of potentiometer is low, the siren will be turned off, as you can see here. For motion sensor, I have done programming. For motion sensor, we use loop function, as when motion sensor is on, like that, you bring your cursor to near to the motion sensor, it will turn on, and it will turn on the webcam as well, that is connected to the default gateway. And once it is turned off, once you take off the mouse from your motion sensor, it will be turned off, and it will turn off the webcam as well. It is energy saver, as webcam is it is turning on and off the webcam. See, when I bring the cursor to motion sensor, the webcam is on, the siren is on, and even the motion sensor is on. See this, the green light, and then the green light in.